Good morning, fam. Day 2 in Puerto Rico. Today, we're going to the jungle, rainforest. What's up? We're about to start our tour. Headed to the rainforest.
Mira Melinda, okay? Mira Melinda translates to look at me pretty. And sometimes you find these on top of a sushi or like a garnish to a drink. Exactly. So I'll grab one too, but check this out. If you eat the purple petals, they kind of have like a sour aftertaste, almost like a honeysuckle. Maybe like a Nerd's candy that you left sitting on the counter for too long. But I like to point these out because the rainforest that we'll be walking through, even if it's just a small section of.
We're almost down to the waterfall spot. Getting muddy. Woo! Where we at? That was fun. We just went up there for like a couple hours, went down 2 water slides, or I did. Jasmine had to stay down here. She didn't want to go, and we couldn't bring the camera.
It's cold.
I went down 2 water slides, jumped off a couple cliffs. It was fun, man.
Like the dog.
That water is freezing, but it feels good. How you feeling just sitting over here?
It felt good. My feet were cool.
We're in the rainforest. We're almost back, and then we're gonna go get some food, some traditional. That's what I hear. Puerto Rican
Yum.
meals. Guys, if you come down here, get the tour guide, Sebastian. He's cool and he skates. And we're just rinsing off real quick before we go get our food. Jasmine's ordering the food, so I'm stopping here to get some beers while we're waiting. First time with a Puerto Rico cerveza. Very good. We got the Tostores plantains. Wait, this is yours or mine?
Yours.
With the chicken. So, grilled chicken. For those of you who don't know, this is a fried plantain. It's good. I give this cat a little bit of food and he just stays. He wants more. These are our rides. Okay, now we're done. Once we get back on the bus, we're gonna go back to our Airbnb for a little bit
And take a little
and
rest.
get ready, and go out and explore some more. Okay, so we're over here chilling under this tree that drops star fruits, and Jasmine's eating star fruit for the first time.
It's sour.
Let me try now. Very sour. It's got like a really sour, non-ripe taste, but it's not bad. Phew, so we just left the Airbnb down here at the beach, trying to get some of these Puerto Rican Caribbean views in, and this is a surfable beach for sure. Look at that. Look at those waves. Cats everywhere. The beach is too packed. So, cannot fly my drone. I'm gonna have to get some stock footage somewhere. All these restrictions out here. You got the Coast Guard, and then you got a couple airports pretty close to each other, but whatever, no drone, still beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. This is a beach that I would definitely come chill at if I had a case of beer
Or
and
if
a
he
chair.
could fly his drone.
Yeah, if I had a case of beer, you're allowed to. You know, as long as you're not crazy, mindful of other people. Come out here, sit back, drink some beers, chill. It's a good time. I would definitely do that if I had some. Look at that little flag over there. Okay, right now we're just gonna chill down here next to our little Puerto Rico encampment over there. Somebody camping out, chill out, enjoy the vibes of the waves, and then maybe grab a scooter and go somewhere. Beautiful out here. Caribbean paradise. Okay, we found a couple scooters. Hopefully these ones are charged up, and then we'll head that way to explore. Okay, back in Old San Juan. Time to explore, buy souvenirs, drink, enjoy the weather. Something going on. Some Christmas junk going on over there. They're singing a Christmas carol. Guys, there's so many tourists down here though. Crazy amount. I'm about done walking around. I'm about ready to just post up somewhere, look at the ocean, and have some drinks. All this running around we did today and yesterday. Getting a little tired over here. A lot of walking around to do over here.
Mama, please keep up.
The architecture out here is beautiful, guys. Okay. Time to find somewhere to sit down and eat, get some drinks. That's about all there is to do in Old San Juan, besides looking at the like the old historical monuments, the buildings, the forts, the beautiful architecture, shops, historic shops, birthplace of the mojito. Just a lot of just typical like kind of like nightlife stuff over here to do. Yeah, eat and drink and shop and look at the beauty. That's what there is to do over here. We are one mojito down. We're not gonna eat here though. Too expensive. Really, they just don't have the food we want. That's all you need to do down here. Just go to bars, get you some mojitos, some pina coladas, and then just walk around. Next shop to next shop. That's what we're doing. Save money that way. I don't know if I've said it yet in this video, but San Juan, probably particularly in the old San Juan, it's the oldest European settlement in the Western Hemisphere, period, as far as the Americas, like this being a U.S. territory. The actual oldest European settlement in the Americas is somewhere in Dominica, in the Dominican Republic, but you just count them out as far as like the Americas, and it's number 2. But as far as like what we own, what we have jurisdiction over, because it is a U.S. territory, it's the oldest in the Americas. It's one of like the first places Christopher Columbus stepped foot on. When he first came here, he named it something like San Juan, and then that later became the name of the town, not the entire island, but the island known as Puerto Rico means a rich port. So it's got a lot of rich history in that sense too. Bro, non-stop traffic. We are on the trek to find somewhere to eat. It's either been too long of a wait, or it's been closed, or something. But we're gonna get to the place. But honestly, even as much tourist as there is out here, it really seems like this is a popular spot. Locals even just come to like hang out at night on the weekend because, man, I tell you what, it is so packed. How you feeling?
I feel good for my drink.
All right, bro. So we're down here. I don't know where we're at. Went on some cobblestone street. The restaurant is called La Madre. I'm only on my second drink, but that shit is especial. Yeah, I'm losing track of time. This, my friends, is a fried cheesecake. It tastes like fried cheesecake, doesn't
It's
it?
good.
It really is a long ass wait, huh? How long have we been waiting here? If you add the whole time we was at the bar.
Almost 2 hours.
Alright, that's what she says. 2 hours. Whew. Yep. If you come to Puerto Rico, Old Town, go to that restaurant. They got some good food. You're gonna be waiting though. Gonna be waiting a couple hours. Seems like long time. But you're gonna have a good time. Only if you drink though. If you don't drink, just skip that place. Just skip it. My ISO is on auto right now. This shit's probably at like 5,000 ISO. It's probably bringing my video quality down quite a bit. But I just had some chocolate. About to go back to the room, go to sleep, and start day 3. Adios, amigo. What up? So, it's my last night here, and all I can say is last night was the night. But slept in like half the day. Feel really relaxed, so I guess maybe that's what I needed. So whatever. Slept in. Now we're just out here walking through from our Airbnb. Just gonna get out, take a quick little stroll, call an Uber, and go check out one little spot. See what there is over there. The T-Mobile, some T-Mobile center. I really have no idea what's over there, but Jasmine wanted to go there. Just waiting for the Uber. Spend our last night in Puerto Rico. Down here at the Distro T-Mobile Center. Basically, it's like it's just a big entertainment center, kind of like a mixture of like an indoor and outdoor mall with walking, sidewalk style walking, shops, stuff like that. So it's like it's just a modern version of a mall. Movie theaters, yeah. We're kind of like laid out with a outdoor seating, walking kind of layout, but while being indoors, if that makes any sense. We are definitely on some kind of Puerto Rican news stream right now, celebrating the new year with all these huge cameras. And we're definitely on the local news somewhere in Puerto Rico. Yeah, see, look, now we're outside again. It's like a mixture of like indoor shopping mall / outdoor shopping center type stuff going on with a bunch of food and entertainment. I think this is what all like modern day malls are gonna eventually kind of turn into. Just got done eating our carnitas. What are we doing? We're just gonna walk around, explore this little crazy place. Okay guys, we found the I Love Puerto Rico sign. Although we made it here too late, it's dark, so we're gonna have to embrace it in the dark, take our pictures in the dark. But there it is. I love Puerto Rico sign. Okay, so we just spent over half an hour at the Puerto Rico I love Puerto Rico sign. Funny story, so we're trying to get photos taken. The first people that come up to try to help us take the photo, Jasmine asked some like bus driver that's waiting, takes 2 of our photos, horrible photos, like the I love Puerto Rico, he like clips it off.
I wonder if we can drop them in there so they can see.
It's clipped off, you know, it's not getting the whole, you know, the whole picture. So anyways, he leaves. We ask some other couple to come over, and they're talking a big game ground into the picture. They're like giving us these angles and stuff. It's like, bro, we want the whole I love Puerto Rico sign in the background with our photo. But okay, so then they left. Then a third family comes up, and luckily, I think they were American. They kind of like
They had better understanding.
They understood what we wanted. Yeah. We wanted the I love Puerto Rico in the whole sign, and that was the best picture we got. So yeah. I'll drop it in here so you can take a look at that. Shout out to that family. Appreciate you. But yeah, kind of funny story. Went through 3 different groups trying to get the correct photo.
And we also had to take all of those groups' photos too.
And we took a lot of photos of everybody, trial and error, trying to get ours. But yeah, Puerto Ricans, and I think that other dude's probably from Jamaica. I don't know. You need to work on your American picture taking skills. Last night, just having a little stroll through the city. Just chilling, enjoying the breeze and all the yachts. In Puerto Rico, I know you guys love your Daddy Yankee. I've seen that dude on so many billboards around every corner of every place I've been here. Somewhere on some building in any direction, there's a Daddy Yankee poster with his sunglasses and his smile. Guys, and if all else fails, something you gotta do, you come out here, find you a little peaceful spot on the beach at night, just look around, listen to the waves, drink you a beer, smoke you something, and relax in the Caribbean island for the free. This right over here is Sixto Escobar. It's a statue commemorating Puerto Rico's first world professional boxer to win a world champion. Puerto Rico's first world champion in boxing right there. So, cool thing to remember, right? So we are nearing the end of the vlog. 3rd day, slept in all day, so yeah, it is what it is. We got so much time left. We're gonna go back over here to the Distro Metro place. I'm feeling like I want some dessert. We're gonna grab some food, some dessert, some kind of dessert, I don't know. And then we're gonna go back to the Airbnb and chill out for the night. But yeah, man, so far Puerto Rico, beautiful place, very old, very historic. Definitely tell the infrastructure is different here. There's bars on all the windows, like due to the hurricanes that happen often. But yeah, beautiful place, a lot of history, and I felt safe the entire time walking around here. Like it's like the 3rd time I've walked around at night and feel completely safe. You know, I mean, I'm not hanging out in the projects by myself, but overall, like safe, easy day. You know, just like anywhere. Have common sense. Yeah, really recommend it. Look at this old bridge. And obviously the one we're standing on is the replacement version, but lots of old history and infrastructure down here. And you know, since I've been to Puerto Rico, I've seen La Perla. I'll never look at that song the same again. Despacito. A little odd fact that we noticed being here is the policia. Their lights are blue and green. Instead of like the blue and red and white, it's like blue, green emergency lights. So definitely different. Okay, so really wanted some snacks. We found a place to fill my sweet tooth. We're gonna get some churros in the belly. And case closed about Puerto Rico, how y'all love Daddy Yankee. Literally, he's even on the Sprite. He's everywhere. Just gonna eat these churros and wait for the Uber. Okay, so back at the Airbnb, I have my Daddy Yankee Sprite thirst quench, and I have my churro donuts on the way walking up here. Yeah, I left Jasmine the same 3 flavors. Nutella, cookies and cream, and that cereal, whatever that's called, Fruity Pebbles. Those things were good too, top notch. But I'm gonna do what you're supposed to do on vacation: relax, wake up tomorrow, hang out, enjoy the weather until we fly out tomorrow. Last day. Good night. Adios. See you tomorrow. Hola. Buenos dias. So this is probably the last clip or so of the vlog. It's day 4, and this island did something to me where I'm just so tired. I don't know.
Yeah, no, same.
I'm so tired. I don't know if my body's trying to get on island time, or I'm just exhausted in general from excitement. I'm really not sure, but really tired. But checked out of our Airbnb. We're at the airport, and we can't check our bags in until so long before the flight, so we're just chilling out here. Probably gonna take a nap up against this wall for a second, go inside, get the lounge, and then take a nap there, get on the flight, go to Florida, and that'll be the end of it. But Puerto Rico, special place. It's a special place. It has its own magic to it. The people here, they really love where they're from, and people here are nice. It's an awesome place to visit. Yeah. If I got anything else to say, I'll say it later, but that's all I got for now. Thanks for watching the vlog, and consider subscribing and hitting the like button, traveling along with me, and I'll see you on the next video. Adiós.
Ya me está gustando más de lo normal. Todos mis sentidos van pidiendo más. Esto hay que tomarlo sin ningún apuro. Despacito, quiero respirar tu cuello despacito. Deja que te diga cosas.